Hi, this is Ashmita from the North Star CPAs. In this video, we are going to address one of the most common questions we get. Do I really need to file a US tax return? We get this especially from students on F1, J1 visas, NRIs, OCI card holders, green card holders, and H1B professionals. So let's break this down. If you're a US citizen or a green card holder, you generally have to file your taxes. It doesn't matter where you live or where the income was earned. If you're considered a US tax resident, then you'll have to report your global income. For US tax purposes, your visa type alone does not decide everything. What really matters is your tax residency status, especially for H1B and L1 holders. This is determined by something called the substantial presence test. We will talk more about that in the upcoming videos. If you do not meet the test, you may file as a non-resident. Non-residents are taxed only on the US sourced income. Now let's talk about the students on F1 and J1 visas. They are treated a little bit differently in the beginning. During the first 5 calendar years in the US, they are treated as tax exempt and their days in the US do not count towards the SPT. Because of this, they are treated as non-residents and they file Form 1040 NR along with Form 8843. Now what about NRI and OCI card holders? If you have moved to India and you still have a green card, you will have to file your US tax returns. Here is something more important. Filing does not always mean paying tax. There are provisions like the foreign earned income exclusion, the foreign tax credit, and tax treaty benefits between the US and India. These help prevent double taxation, but only if your filing is done correctly. So the real answer to whether or not you need to file depends on your immigration status and your residency status. If you're still unsure about where you stand, you can schedule a consultation with us using the link below. Thank you.